the Anjuna beach, and so much of construction has been done and it's quite good. Like there is this complete staircase kind of a thing, a structure which you can walk down. There are too many stairs, and at every level you can stand and enjoy the view. And if you want to go down, you can also go down. So let's see if we want to go down. Look at the beach. This Anjuna beach has a lot of rocks, you know, in comparison to the sandy beaches. It's a rocky beach. Oh, look at that man. He's doing fishing. Lovely. Did he catch something? Okay. I'll take you down to the beach. Look at all those rocks that you see in movies. Oh. How good is that? Very. So friends, that's it for today. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome content. Thank you.